Alright guys, it's another bright and early Saturday morning and we're about to head off to NEDCO June Jam. And the car is all finished wrapped. Just kidding, it's not all finished. We were up till probably like 12 last night and that's as much as we got done. So all that's left is the body kit. And that shouldn't be too hard, but we just ran out of time, so we're going to send it anyways. I think it looks pretty cool. So this is going to be the new team color. Got my cool blue cage. Now we're running a bit late, but now we're going to head out. Let's do it. So we made it to the track, didn't get pulled over, and it looks like a beautiful day for drifting. Now we're gonna go say hi to Matt. Hi. Matt, you made it.
I know, I'm a little late.
It's alright, we were too.
I mean, tech's almost over.
Straight, you're good. Yeah. Dude, this thing sounds so good.
I know.
It's like wicked raspy, yeah. I like it.
Look at this C-Class Hero.
C-Class Hero today. This paint came out wicked good, dude.
See, it did come out good. It chips super easy, though.
Woo! Hell yeah. Jeremy's car. Alright, so Ian's car also isn't done again, so it's just me and Matt today driving. Alright, right now we're gonna walk C-Class track so Matt doesn't get lost and kill people.
Oh, she does not like you. You can to the front edge. When you get back there, those are weird points. You don't want to be as close back to your car.
Yeah, so far the C course looks awesome. It's really like flow. Yeah, it really flow. That flow dough.
It's got a heavy flow.
It's got a can't put that in, goddammit. Alright, now we're gonna head up to the B lot, B and A lot, so we can go do a driver's meeting and do a walkthrough. Well, another walkthrough.
I'm gonna make myself a fucking peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Yeah, we got free PB and J. Me too.
You can tell it's paint though and not vinyl.
Yeah.
Only 2 taps on the back. 3's get it. How long the driver's meeting? Should be 5 minutes.
We about to put up the Prime Drift banner, bro.
Dude, still,
we helped
still
today,
my favorite.
believe it or not.
See group, you guys gonna be running down there all. Yeah,
So there's like 55 drivers today. We just finished a driver's meeting. Now we're gonna do a parade lap so we can learn the new course. Yeah. The layout's pretty similar to the last event, except for it's a big wide turn at the end and it's more of an S. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, so Ian's taking the Toho down to C-Class so that way he can help everyone that gets stuck down there. And me and Lexi are gonna run the new B-Class course and it's gonna be sweet. Then after a few runs, I'm gonna go put a GoPro on Matt's car and see how he does in C-Class. So it's gonna be an awesome day. Lots of drivers, great weather. Let's keep it going. Good luck. Try not to break anyone's bumpers.
I can't wait to rip someone's car apart.
Let's roll. Alright, so the E30 might have blew up. It sounded like awful. So I gotta go get a flathead screwdriver and pop the hood to see if there's any obvious signs of bad things. Alright, something's up. Alright, so we cleaned off all the plugs, put them back in. Hopefully it worked, and that was it. It was just flooded. Wish me luck. Good luck. Oh, that's not good.
No.
That's very bad. I think I blew it up. Please be a broken rocker.
Is it?
Oh! Alright, we got a broken rocker again. So, it's not totaled, but I keep breaking heavy duty rocker arms that are built not to break. So, I'll show you what it looks like. This little foot is fucking missing. And also, I think I broke a valve in half. Yeah, shit. So it's actually kind of shitty. It broke, and then I lost a retainer, and the retainer is somewhere. So we gotta find the retainer that goes on the top. So right here, there's not one right here. So cool, easy fix, not expensive, but the day is lost, my friends. So let's go see what Matt's doing today. Not Matt, the cool Matt.
This man.
This Matt. All right, Matt's gonna go for a run.
Not cool Matt, but other Matt.
Yeah, other Matt.
I'm cool. This is other Matt.
A little bit of a spin.
A little bit.
He's learning.
It's alright.
It's getting better though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, you killed the whole thing except for the first little part.
I went in too hot. I was trying to show out.
I know. I wish I had a good, better camera so I could like actually zoom in over there. Here, put this on your helmet. This is Andrew's first ever drift event.
What up? Nice to meet you. Alright, what do I do here?
Alright, so grab the two over your shoulders. Grab the one on the right. And now just touch whatever you want and you're fucking safe, bro. Well, as safe as you can be.
Hell yeah.
Thanks for doing this.
Hey, no problem. Anytime. I love you.
So much fun, oh my
I wish I
god.
could give you more, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine, man. That's great. Holy shit.
All right, getting in Dave's drift wagon. Oh shit! This is the first time I've been in here.
Welcome to my office.
I like the gauges. Thank you. Get all the cool buttons. What up, dog?
Love you, buddy.
Look at this fucking, like, no one's in the right.
I came back for the rest of the cones. We'll get it.
Andrew's in another car today. Say hi, Andrew. Miata life.
I put him in Zach's car just to test him out. He liked it, and I was like, fuck, go with the mental guy.
Fuck, go with the mental guy.
There's no top on it. It's tiny. You're on the ground.
It's got leaves on it.
Get out of here.
Woo!
His first pass with Andrew, he was like just spinning out doing donuts and smoking and smoked up the whole parking lot. Scared the shit out of Andrew, and Andrew's like, more!
That's sick.
More!
We're gonna go get Matt a helmet so he can do it.
Okay.
Be back. Ride-alongs for all the crew today. Let's go, Matt. Let's get you a helmet. All right, we got Matt a helmet, so he's gonna do some ride-alongs today.
Gonna do it up.
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, buddy.
Zach attack.
Give him hell, Zach. Go.
I like this thing.
It's so much fun. It's perfect for picking up cones.
What's the KA offer?
Yeah.
All right, so I don't feel like AAAing the car home, so Matt's letting me use his car trailer to get mine home. So that way I can start working on it and hopefully fix it. But yeah, right now we parked the E30 on a steep incline so we can roll it onto Matt's trailer. That way we don't have to start the motor because the motor has a bunch of broken pieces in it. So yeah, we're gonna do that now. These ramps look fucking scary and I'm not happy about it. They look like they're straight up and down. But Matt says that I can make it, so. Oh my fucking God. This is nerve-wracking. Good?
Oh, your side skirt popped off.
All right, oh, we bottomed out on the side skirt. One bigger. I'm gonna steer it, I guess.
Are you high-sided?
No, just on the side skirt. Thank you so much.
Oh, it goes back to stock, bro.
Yeah, dude, that's why I always buy fiberglass.
Get that poly. You gotta get that poly one.
Yeah.
It's not horrible.
Have a good one. Thank God. That's why you need big friends, people. Survived the day, the car didn't survive the day, and now we're driving back to my house to unload the broken E30 so I can fix it. But all in all, it was an awesome day. Awesome people, great weather, had a blast. Probably the most fun I can have having a blown up car that cost me a ton of money. But yeah, I got to drive Dave's car and he needs to fix that steering box so it doesn't spin out so much. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you at the track.